The gold to silver ratio is one of the highest I've seen in over a decade. With gold rallying, why is silver lagging behind like the fat kid in a relay race?
Hey, enough about that last part. Well, silver is not a currency and gold is. And gold is trading with a 0.92 inverse correlation to the dollar right now. By the way, Josephine, you can show that. Silver's not, okay? I think we can show that. Again, the things that we have written down and we publish internally every day, obviously we can show it to you. And there she is. She's just on it this morning. So you can see a 0.92 inverse correlation on a 15-day basis. That's why gold just went bananas, because dollar came down. But silver doesn't have that same relationship.
Silver actually is more industrial,
Yep.
Considered more of an industrial metal.
Yep. So. There's a lot of different reasons, but again, we go with what is, not what should be. We definitely don't start, ratios, and that's an important one. I've studied these obviously for 20 years or longer in some cases. If you look back, ratios, when you think of, well, what is the ratio of this to that? You're really you're making a relative value comment. Relative value is not my cup of tea. All right. If anybody's noticed, I'm not a big value guy. I'm not a big growth guy. I'm a let's get the quads right guy. That's what I try to do. So I don't start with, well, look at this relationship and this should be that. Well, historically it used to be that. Like, why would I start? That's like going fishing and saying, well, last year I caught one about 3.5 pounds here. Maybe I should catch one that's 3.65 pounds there too. I mean, it's just not the way that the world works. Okay, we understand that that's happened historically, and it's an interesting reference point. But we don't start with interesting. We start with what is. So in quad 4. Quad 4 loves gold and it does not love silver. That's where I start. And then I look at the trend signal. They don't look the same. Then I look at the inverse correlations. They don't look the same. So by that point, I'm like, silver, get out of here.